Tariffs, stagflation, and market correction. These are the three words which best summarize March 2025 financial markets. Welcome to Spot the Markets, our monthly edition for March 2025. As I said, if we take a look at the main financial markets, we see in the last month that gold and the Hang Seng are just the only positive, together with a few other, but the winners for the month. Gold is also the winner year to date. And we see, as we speak on the 31st of March, that Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and also Nikkei, the Japanese equity market, are in correction territory, which means over 10% decline, driven mainly in the month of March. If we look at the equity sector for the month and the year, we see that in the month of March, energy and utilities at the global level, and for a tiny amount, materials are the only three sectors up. All the others are down, especially the broad communication technology sector with global tech, consumer discretionary, and communication services all down year to date, almost by 5%. If we look at the main event, there's been a lot of discussions on tariffs. These will come into play on the 2nd of April, very soon, called by the Trump administration Freedom Day. There will be a 25% tariffs on all vehicles imported and many more. And this has created a lot of uncertainty before driven some of the markets into correction. If we look at the stocks, those are just some of the stocks for the previous week of March 24 to 28. On artificial intelligence, CoreWeave IPO was expected a success, and they had to lower the price. They priced it at $40 a share, well below the $47 to $55 range, showing that there is a lot of uncertainty, especially in the technology sector. Lunimon Athletica down 14% as sales are expected the growth in sales is expected to decrease. 23andMe filed for bankruptcy, so the shares were down 59%. Dollar Tree agreed to sell its Family Dollar business to private equity investor for about $1 billion. General Motors were down by 7.5% as on Wednesday, President Trump announced the 25% tariff on all imported vehicles and parts, starting from April the 2nd, and Bayer was ordered to pay $2.1 billion by a jury in Georgia. If we look at the main events for the week, Tuesday, the 1st of April, Institute for Supply Management will release both manufacturing and services PMI for March. We have had so far a lot of soft indicators disappointing, and this has also driven the stock markets down, in addition to high expectations of inflation not coming down as quickly as people thought. And then we'll have the Bureau of Labor Statistics will release the job openings and labor turnover survey. On Wednesday, Donald Trump, the president, is expected to announce reciprocal tariff focused on the so-called Dirty 15, the 15% of countries with the highest tariffs and trade imbalances with the US. And these will be on top of those already announced, including a 25 levy on all imported aluminum, steel, auto parts, and vehicles. And Friday will be closely watched. The Department of Labor will release the job reports for March. We want to remind you we had a terrific lineup of industry guests at our seminars at the University of Padua. You can see all these videos on Mercury Partners Academy linked. You just click the link and the videos will be freely available. We remind you to keep following Mercury Partners Academy for career options and financial markets education. That's all from me, Marcello Zanardo. All the best.